All right, so this is my Centurion Lounge review. Atlanta Airport Concourse E. Line wasn't too long, about 5 to 8 minute wait to get in. You see, allow kids and all type of business travelers, families. Now they changed the rule. Usually bring one visitor, your platinum card or your card. You have to be flying Delta, or if you have a Amex platinum card, you can fly any airline and get in. Look at me looking all cool. Finally get in. Finally get in. Take a tour. Look at this. Like we're in the jungle in the middle of the Atlanta airport. ATL Centurion Lounge. It's been open about 6-7 months now. First time me coming up in here. Trying to check it out. Cool vibes. It's like grilling out here. A little warm for the outside. Take it on in, see what the inside look like. All right, so there's the inside. Coming on in. There's the bar, the bourbon bar, whiskey bar rather. Cool vibe. Bartender was cool. Guys walking around. Other outside bar that faced it. For runway. Get out there, see planes take off. I people sitting outside here. Oh, a lot of plants, lot of real plants. So, bugs are flying around, hit me out there. It's kind of warm out there, but good vibes. Got fans, plenty of seating. But yeah, it is a lot of buzz around those plants. And then with people going in and out, live, coming by the area, But the food, they had pasta there that day. Didn't look too good. Most of it was just pasta. That's what I've seen in most Centurion lounges. Pasta, free drinks, free coffee. I just really go for the free drinks. Then there's a lot of seating area. If this lounge ever gets full, I would be really surprised. There's some beige and yogurt snacks, and then I found these little cool little grapefruit little cups and these little soda fountains. You can put syrup in the thing, make your own soda. Or they got these free grapefruit drinks. And then next thing I knew, Tampa Bay, beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida, and heat that way, clear water. Bridge back down. Yeah. Real cool. Great way to get a cover. Really tight on the plane, and then next thing you know, waking up paradise. Yeah, definitely check out the Centurion Lounge, Atlanta Airport, Concourse E. You're a platinum, or you have to have Delta Gold or Delta Platinum card to get access. If you have the Delta payment card, Delta. With the platinum. Period. Feel good on it. Free food. Now that $745 annual fee is are kind of beneficial. I get $200 Uber credit for Airbnb, hotel credits, FedEx, all that kind of stuff. All right, later on.